Another value, Utas. Utas. My gosh, I grew up with this word from the day I could remember, coming from my mother's mouth and my father, who went through World War II. Because of their experience, they always emphasize this in my family. Don't be wasteful. Always appreciate what is given to you and make use of it, but don't be wasteful, because you never know what may come tomorrow. And they went through the World War II experience, and they use this word all the time. And when you really look at it, do you know how the Chamorro survived World War II? By all the different proverbs that have been explained to you. Gofli, Utas, Tsogwen, Tadzagwaha, Omri. Why? Because the Chamorros didn't have guns to fight the war, to understand what was really going on. But what did they have? An armory of Chamorro proverbs. And they survived it. And they survived it for 4,000 years. Whatever came to the shore. This is what this is all about. If Chamorros can understand that. This is how your sinus survived. By being Utas. By being Gofli. By being Tadzagwa. Hafamohon. Just the 12 that I could produce for now. Because there's 100 to go for me to do. But this one, and even to today, this is one that I bite to, what do you call that, fervently. I have to, because I live with other people. And why be wasteful? Think about it. Are we here to be wasteful? Is that our mission in life? This is what all these proverbs are saying. No, we have to be tsogwen.